Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we're modeling a Bamboo Yogashala inspired by the organic form of a pumpkin flower. We'll start by drawing the petal profile using SketchUp's Arc tool. Once the frame is set, we'll use the Curviloft plugin to generate our surface geometry. To give the structure its bamboo thickness, we'll use JHS Powerbar's Lines to Tubes tool. Finally, we'll skin the petals with Curviloft and apply realistic bamboo textures using Fredo ThruPaint. Now that the main structure is set, let's add some secondary details to the model to give it a sense of scale. Once the structure is ready, we'll move on to the environment. To keep our file size manageable and our viewport fast, we're using V-Ray Proxy trees and plants around the base of the Yogashala. This creates a lush, tropical setting without lagging the software. Next, let's talk surfaces. We'll dive into the V-Ray Asset Editor to set up our materials. We want the bamboo to have a slight satin reflection and the petal fabric to have a soft, translucent quality. By using high-quality PBR textures, we ensure the light interacts realistically with every part of the geometry. Lighting is where the magic happens. We'll start by setting up the V-Ray sun and sky to get those long, dramatic shadows through the bamboo frame. To fill in the dark areas and add some warmth, we'll strategically place V-Ray lights like rectangular or omni lights inside the Yogashala to highlight the interior volume. Finally, it's time to render. We'll head into the V-Ray settings to fine-tune our output. We're turning on Global Illumination G and using the denoiser for a crisp finish. Adjust your exposure value to match the sunlight, hit render, and watch the pumpkin flower Yogashala come to life in full photorealistic detail. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.